I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser and Double Repair Face Moisturizer. I started using La Roche-Posay because I have very sensitive, allergy-prone skin, and I know that they are well known for their dedication to creating products that are gentle and suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. I use this fragrance-free cleanser daily, and it helps me to remove my makeup and impurities while leaving my skin feeling soft and refreshed and never stripped. I use the Double Repair Face Moisturizer every night as my last step in my skincare routine. It's designed to restore the skin's natural protective barrier, which helps it to stay hydrated and resilient. And it also contains ceramides and niacinamide, which are key ingredients for healthy and radiant skin. The best thing about this moisturizer is that it is effective in restoring health to my skin. So I highly recommend it for those with dry skin or those with sensitive skin. I think you will absolutely love this moisturizer. And that's my point of view.